Hello everyone, it's Crypto. Welcome back. Today, we are going to analyze 3 AI coins, Griffain, Swarms, and AvaAI. These coins were performing well a few months ago, but after the recent market crash, the question is, which AI coin will recover faster? Swarms coin analysis. Swarms has been holding its support levels very well. Despite a 90% drop from its all-time high, it has remained stable for the past 42 days. The price action suggests strong consolidation, meaning investors are holding, and there is confidence in the project. The market cap of Swarms is $46 million, and its volume to market cap ratio is 50%. This high trading activity shows strong investor interest, making Swarms one of the most stable AI coins in this downturn. AvaAI coin analysis. AvaAI has followed a similar pattern to Swarms. It also hit its lowest support zone but has held steady ever since. This suggests that investors have confidence in the project, and the price is stabilizing. The market cap of AvaAI is $41 million, and its volume to market cap ratio is 25%. While not as strong as Swarms, it still shows signs of recovery, and the price action indicates potential upward movement. Griffain coin analysis. Griffain is still struggling to find a bottom. Unlike Swarms and AvaAI, it is making lower lows and lower highs, which is a sign of weakness in price action. The coin has failed to hold strong support levels, and investor confidence appears to be shaken. The market cap of Griffain is $42 million, but its volume to market cap ratio is only 30 to 40%. This lower trading activity suggests weaker demand compared to Swarms and AvaAI, raising concerns about its recovery potential. Swarms looks the strongest, stable support and high volume. AvaAI is also solid, showing similar recovery patterns. Griffain is risky, still searching for a bottom and lacking strong momentum. If you are holding Griffain but looking for a safer bet, swapping to Swarms or AvaAI could be a good move. However, all 3 coins are currently 90 to 94% down, so investing wisely and diversifying is key. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more crypto updates. See you in the next one.